So I'm having ugali. In Uganda we call it posho, and then greens. I'm a girl of greens, of course. So I'm going to be having goat stew with some offals inside.
So what I have done is to have this cocktail right here.
Yay.
Let me just see.
Okay guys, we are in Entebbe, but specifically we are in Kumba. I've just arrived in Entebbe, but I'm going to be meeting up with some 2 content creators. You guys are going to be seeing them, so please be sure to subscribe to their channel. Guys, just look at Entebbe. Huh? Look at Entebbe, guys. Wow, it's very clean and I love the roads. Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Entebbe. In case you're new here, you're most welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, today I am in Entebbe, but specifically in Kumba, and I'm going to be meeting up with some content creators that you guys well know. So please watch the video up to the end, you don't want to miss out. Okay. Hi, how are you?
We are here. My name is Nalongo Letitia.
Yeah.
Please, if you're coming from Nalongo Letitia YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if this is your first time to see me here on Harriet Anabo's channel, please go and look for me. My name is Nalongo Letitia, and please subscribe.
Okay. So guys, today I am meeting up Nalongo Letitia.
Yeah, we are here.
Yeah.
We are going to really have a better time, a beautiful time together. We are going to give you so many videos, by the way.
Yeah. Guys, we are going to be having lunch.
Yeah,
I think up there, I've seen some nice restaurants.
There is a restaurant.
Yes, up here, guys, I've seen a nice restaurant up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I'm going to be with Nalongo Letitia for today, and we're also going to be meeting some other content creator that is about to reach.
Yeah,
you guys know her. So very soon she's going to be joining us. So please be sure to subscribe. Okay. So guys, I don't know if you guys can see the restaurant, but it is up there. That's where we are going to go with Nalongo Letitia. And yeah, this is me. So come along with us.
Come, let's go and have some food together.
Okay. So I think you're supposed to climb the ladder to reach there, because I think this is a bar. See. Yes, let me show you.
And the place is really so amazing.
Oh, wow.
I love it.
Okay. Okay, it's giving. Okay. Let's see. I think we should sit here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's more important.
And by the way, it has just rained in the Entebbe, but I thank God that now it is, turning to be sunny.
Yeah, it is. I love Ugandan weather. Guys, it rains in the morning, and in the evening there is a lot of sunshine that you cannot even finish.
We can have I was telling these guys that we can have all the seasons in one day.
In one day.
That's Uganda, guys.
We can have winter, we can have summer, and we can have autumn, spring, all of the 4 seasons in one day.
Yeah.
So guys,
we're at the restaurant.
Yeah,
we want to have something to eat with my friend right here, Nalongo Letitia. Please be sure to check her out.
Please.
Show her some love. Tell her Harriet Anabo's sent me here.
Yes, please.
Yeah. So
and actually, if you're also coming from Nalongo Letitia, I'm not going to stop telling you. Please subscribe, you people.
Yeah. So this is how the restaurant looks like. I don't know the name. What's the name of this restaurant? Chillax. Okay, nice. I feel like we are going to have some good time here. It's a Saturday, Oh wow, guys, let me show you this place. Looks good. And it's on the rooftop. Look at the flowers right here. Okay, then that's the road. That's the road right there. And for us, we are inside here. We are trying to organize our table. Okay, there are people also relaxing there. Oh, nice. I love the place. Okay. Let's have something to eat. Hey guys, I'm so excited. I'm back to Entebbe. You guys will know that I was born and raised in Entebbe. So every time I come back to Entebbe, I feel so happy. I feel like I'm home. And today we are going to be making some amazing content with 2 content creators, but the second one hasn't yet arrived, but you guys are going to be seeing her very soon. So please guys, be sure to watch the video up to the end. If you haven't subscribed guys, what are you waiting for? Please be sure to subscribe, like the video, let me know what you think of this video. Okay, let's have some lunch, let's have some amazing time. Okay, so we are going to be sitting here. Yeah, right there.
Yes, we're going to be here.
Are you excited?
I'm super excited, guys. By the way, I'm so excited being here because it has really, I've been really longing so much to meeting her, and it has not really been a hassle, because meeting some people it is a hassle, but it has not been so hard meeting you. By the way, thank you. You're so a good person.
Thank you so much. Yeah, that's what I keep on telling you guys, that you never know like what will happen in the future, because you're not supposed to like ignore everyone that tries to talk to you and all that, because
you just never know what they are bringing on your table. One day, one time, what you will benefit from them and what they will be benefiting from you.
And me, I believe in doing collabs, because I believe that's how we grow.
Of course you grow, but collabo when you're also being active. Yeah.
So guys, the menu is right here.
Yeah, we are looking at what we are going to be eating.
Yeah, that's the menu. Let me show you guys.
Yeah,
I don't know what we are going to be eating, but me, I'm so hungry. I feel like diving in the food right now, guys. I'm so hungry. Oh my god. Okay, let me first look. I don't want junk foods. I want local food. But I don't know where their menu is. The one with local food.
I'm also kind of seeing junks.
I think this menu is for junk foods. I don't like junk food so much because of my health. Okay.
This is the
I'm seeing peas, beans, shawe food. Oh, I think I'm going to have shawe.
And kalo.
Oh, nice.
But I'm not seeing matoke. This looks like kalo.
Yeah. That's it. Ugali, guys. Kalo is ugali.
They still call that one.
Yes, they still call that one ugali. The
Kenyans, you need to look for more other names. You know, when you come for Kenyans come for
Please,
you.
Please, Kenyans, don't come for us. Don't come for us. We are just saying out our minds. Okay, let's try to dive into the menu and try to see what we are going to have, and then I'll show you the food, guys. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye. Okay, guys, finally my food is here. Let me check it out. Okay, looks nice. So I'm having ugali. In Uganda we call it posho, and then greens. I'm a girl of greens, of course, and some sweet potato right there, and then gonja. What is it? Gonja. Yeah, gonja. You guys can call it plantain, and then you're going to have rice, white rice right there. Oh, look at my soup. Okay, so I'm going to be having goat stew with some offals inside. It's gonna be nice. Sweetie, what are you going to be having?
For me, what I have I have left home when I have already eaten matoke and fish, by the way. So I don't want to dilute that. So what I have done is to have this cocktail right here.
Yay.
Let me just see. Actually, guys, it is really tasting so nice. I was insisting on, is there milk? Is there milk? because I really felt like it is not going to give me the taste that I wanted when there is no milk. But the taste is really nice. You will have to taste it. It's really so nice.
This is watermelon, right?
Yeah, it's watermelon mixed with pineapple, passion fruit.
Guys, let me show you. This is how it looks. Cheers. Cheers to you guys.
Cheers to you guys.
Cheers.
Hey, and Harriet is also going to eat some nice food right here. But as for me, I'm already satisfied, so it's okay. Let her keep eating.
Yeah. So guys, let's dig in right now. And actually, it's already late. I think this is going to be like my supper lunch at the same time, because it's coming
really late.
It's coming to 4 to 5 around there.
It is
4 right now or 3?
Yeah, it is 3.
It's coming to 4. So I'm not going to have dinner. 4. So this is going to be like my dinner
it's going
at the
to
same
be
time
your
lunch.
Yeah. So you're removing the fats.
I don't like too much fats, guys.
Guys,
look at
she
my
is removing the fats, but they're not really that much, by the way.
Oh my god, guys. Okay, some offals right there.
Yeah, they have mixed some more offals right there. And see the food she's having. The African The African cuisine. This is the cuisine that she's enjoying, guys.
Oh, guys, I can't wait.
I really love the fact that she opted for the local food, by the way. Our local food is always the best. You people, if you are not in Uganda and if you happen to come to Uganda, please come and taste our local food. It is really the amazing, the best. You will have the best.
Guys, let me eat on behalf of you. But this is not
Gonja,
by the way.
yeah, it's not gonja. Gonja is this one that they roast on the roadside. When she said gonja,
So how do they say chivuvu in English?
Ha. My dear,
Guys, if you want to
even
ask-
if you ask Gogo, I don't know. So if you are there, by the way, guys, and you are watching us, please tell us, how do they call chivuvu? Chivuvu, we mean this one.
This one right here, guys.
This one.
What's this?
That one. How do they call it? It is in our local language. It is called chivuvu.
If you're Ugandan, I know Ugandans watch me a lot on my channel.
Actually,
Please
me
let
too.
us know what is chivuvu in English. Because me, I can't lie, you guys.
I also
But I love its taste. It's really sweet.
Yeah, it's really so nice. And I'm also enjoying my juice right here.
Yeah. Okay, guys, catch you in a bit. Bye.
So, guys, we are here. Harriet is enjoying the food, the African
cuisine.
food. As we are seated here, guys, we are enjoying the view. First, let me show you. Show them the S&S. This is the mall. This mall is being called S&S. Actually, I have taken over Harriet Anabo's channel. So, guys, we are here at this side is in Kumba, and this is the S&S mall. This is the main road. This one takes you to Entebbe, the other side takes you to Kampala. Yeah, and we are here. This is the restaurant that we are in. See
nice.
Harriet.
Guys, it tastes nice. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Unfortunately, you guys are not here, but I can tell you how it tastes. It's really nice.
It's really
You guys
so
come
nice.
and support these guys whenever you come to Entebbe and you want to have something to eat, like the African cuisine.
Yes.
Just come
We
and
have
visit
just
these guys.
shown you this.
Chillax. It's called Chillax restaurant.
Restaurant.
Yeah.
So people, you
It's
will
just
come and
opposite
support.
S&S.
You will come and support them.
Okay. I love the fact that there are flowers.
They are really like it is like they are having green everywhere.
The nature, the
The-
breeze,
the nature,
that
the
comes with the
breeze,
breeze, you know. It's just breathtaking here.
It's really so
breathtaking.
amazing. So, guys, we shall catch up with you when we are done eating.
Yeah, let's fast dig in. I'll see you later. I love you guys. So I have your biggest idol here, your biggest celebrity in the building. Yeah.
It is really so nice.
And nice meeting you again.